Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are talking about the best YSL bags to buy first. So this is basically a buying guide to your first YSL bag, or if you're looking to expand your already existing collection. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel, I talk about everything fashion, lifestyle, and beauty. So if that is content that you love, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do so, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my new videos. Now grab your snack, your drink, and let's jump right into the video. Now the first bag that I want to talk about and that I recommend you getting from YSL is a bag that I recently got for myself during my trip to Paris, and I actually vlogged it, so I will link it up here if you guys want to check that out. And I also have a full review where I show some mod shots, what fits in the bag, but we're talking about the mini loulou camera bag, and I love this little guy. I think this is the best starter bag at YSL. So if you're looking for a bag that you can wear for daytime as well as nighttime, this is your bag. So it is just this simple yet elegant camera bag style, and I really love this size. So in my review video, I show what fits in the bag, and for a small to mini bag, this actually fits a lot. It fits all your daily essentials and more. I love the zipper pull. I love that it's leather lined on the inside and it has a little back pocket as well, even though I don't really use it, maybe only for cards or receipts. I really love this gold chain as well. And one thing I really love about this bag in particular is the hardware. So the YSL hardware is different for each bag. I feel like usually they go for a more aged gold hardware, but this is a shiny, glossy gold hardware. Like I said, you can wear this bag in the daytime, and it is the perfect everyday bag. Now I've had this bag for a couple months now, and I can say that I'm truly obsessed with this for my everyday bag. But what's really amazing about this bag as well is because it has the shiny gold hardware, the chain, the tassel. It still looks very elegant and date night appropriate. This is perfect for date night, weddings, and more formal occasions. Also, this type of leather might be my favorite type of leather because it's scratch resistant and you won't really see a lot of wear and tear on this bag for years to come. Now the next handbag that I recommend from YSL is the loulou small chain bag. This bag is #1 on my wish list. I think it's so gorgeous. Now let's talk a little bit about Chanel and how the price increases are insane. I absolutely love the classic flap, but I don't think it's worth it anymore. It's almost the price of an Hermes bag, so I would recommend Hermes. But if you're looking for a flap bag that has a chain and is kind of the same style as the classic flap from Chanel, I highly recommend the loulou small by YSL. The loulou bag comes, I think, in 3 sizes and 4 if you count the toy loulou, but the small loulou is the smallest one with the chain. Now I love myself a handbag with the chain because I think it's very classic and it's very elevating. Now the small loulou is, I think, the perfect size for an everyday bag. You could still wear this for nighttime, maybe for a dinner, but I don't know if I would recommend it for a wedding or for a formal occasion because you might want to go for a clutch or a smaller bag like the loulou mini camera bag. Another thing that I really like about this bag is that it has the Y logo in the leather design, and I think it's iconic for the YSL bags. Now of course I would recommend it in black, but if you are sick of black bags, which I can relate to, but you can never really go wrong with black, I would actually recommend the vintage blanc. I think the vintage blanc is super gorgeous because it's a more muted white, a little bit of gray undertones, but it looks really stunning with the aged gold hardware. And again, if you love a white classic flap, you would love a vintage blanc YSL loulou small bag. Now the next bag that I recommend from YSL is the loulou toy strap bag. So this is the little sister of the loulou small, and this is an absolutely stunning and super cute bag. So it is small, but it actually fits a lot. I've seen it in person and I fell in love with it as well. Now the difference between this one is that it doesn't have a chain, it has a leather strap strap. Now, a really big positive about this strap is that it's adjustable and detachable. So for the small loulou bag, you can only wear it as a shoulder bag or a cross-body bag. Now for the toy loulou, you can detach the strap and put any strap that you want. If you want a shorter strap, you can wear it as a top handle. If you do want a chain, you just get a chain strap and put it on. And if you want a thicker, chunkier leather strap, you can put that on as well. And you can just change the style and how you wear this bag. Another thing I like about this bag is that it still has compartments on the inside. So if you like organization, this is perfect for you. It comes with a card slot inside of the bag, so you don't even need to bring your card wallet. And this is another great everyday bag that you can also wear in the daytime, but also in the nighttime. And I think that the detachable strap really is the biggest pro of this bag, because you can wear it in so many different ways and you can really get the most out of your bag with this option. I personally love this bag in the color dark beige. I think it's the perfect nude beige bag for every day, but also for nighttime, and it is just something different than your classic black. Now the next YSL bag that I absolutely love is the Cassandra mini top handle. This bag is super cute. The design is absolutely stunning. I love that there are so many ways that you can wear this bag. So it does come with a top handle and it does come with a leather strap. So you can wear this top handle, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and you can also wear it as a cross-body bag. Now the silhouette of this bag is very cute. It looks like a mini suitcase, and I think the mini size in this bag style is absolutely perfect. I would love this in the vintage blanc or maybe even a dark gray color. I know that there's also a lot of green tones for this bag, and I just think you can't really go wrong with any color because this is such a statement bag. With the stunning and elegant design, you can still wear it for daytime and also nighttime, and that is something that I truly love about YSL bags, that they're so elegant but they're still understated, so they're not in your face, but they're still a great everyday to night bag. Now I love a top handle bag because it's just super handy. When I get out of the car to grab my bag, I just want to be able to grab it top handle instead of wrestling with the whole strap or even the chain. So the Cassandra style definitely gets plus points. Now the Cassandra mini top handle is perfect if you like structured bags. So for all the loulou bags, they have this puffiness to it and they're a little bit squishy, but they still have their shape. But if you are looking for something very structured, the Cassandra mini top handle is perfect for you. It's a lot more professional looking as well. So if you're looking for a great YSL work bag, the Cassandra mini top handle is perfect. If you want to look like the professional boss lady, this is the bag for you. Now last but not least, we have the college medium chain bag, and this is another iconic bag by YSL. It really reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, but the biggest pro about this bag is that it's full leather. So if you guys are familiar with the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, it's mostly a coated canvas bag. But if you prefer a leather bag for the price point, I highly recommend the YSL college bag. Now I think the medium size is perfect for every day. This is the everyday bag that you can throw in all of your stuff and more. Now if you're a mom, this is great. You can put your kids' snacks in there, and this bag really fits a lot. It's also great because it has a top handle and it does have a chain. And I love that it's a chain instead of a leather strap because it makes it a lot more elegant. The college bag that I personally love and recommend is the all black version. So this has black leather and black hardware. And I love how simple it is because it's an all black look. And sometimes simple really is just the best. I highly recommend this if you're expanding your collection or if you're wanting to buy your first bag from YSL. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and comment down below what YSL bag you like the most or if you have any recommendations. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!